In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add S&P 500 to Metatrader 5. To see the S&P 500 in MT5, you need to add its symbol to the Market Watch list. Start by opening Market Watch, the panel that displays all tradable symbols your broker makes available. You can open it quickly by pressing Ctrl+M on your keyboard, or by clicking the View menu and selecting Market Watch. If the panel is already open on the side of your platform, you're all set. Next, open the symbols list so you can browse and enable the index. Inside the Market Watch panel, right-click anywhere and choose Symbols. If you prefer a shortcut, press Ctrl+U. This brings up the full instrument catalog, grouped into folders like Forex, Commodities, and Indices. Now search for the S&P 500. In the search box, type S&P 500, or navigate into the Indices folder to look for it manually. The exact name depends on your broker, so you might see variations such as US 500, SPX 500, SP 500, or US 500 Cash. Brokers often use different labels for the same underlying index. If multiple versions are listed, the Cash label typically indicates a spot index CFD, while others may track a futures contract. Pick the symbol your broker supports, and that matches how you plan to trade. Add the symbol to Market Watch by selecting it and clicking Show, then click Close to return to the platform. You should now see the S&P 500 symbol in the Market Watch list, ready to use. To open a chart, right-click the symbol in Market Watch and choose Chart Window. A new chart will open where you can select time frames, add indicators, and, if your account allows, place trades on the index. If you can't find the symbol at all, try a quick fix. In the Market Watch panel, right-click and select Show All. This forces MT5 to display every instrument your broker provides for your account, including indices. After that, repeat the search in Symbols or scan the Indices folder again. Finally, if the S&P 500 still doesn't appear, it likely means your broker doesn't offer this index on your current server or account type. Availability can vary by region, account class, and whether you're on a demo or live account. In that case, check with your broker about supported indices or look for a broker that lists US 500 or SPX 500 in Metatrader 5. That's all you need to get the S&P 500 visible and ready in MT5.